Hi friends, good morning. I am very excited right now because I have just now received the order of my running shoes which I had ordered from the Adidas India website. I had actually ordered two running shoes, that is Adidas Helkin 3 for myself, which is costing around 1840 right now on the Adidas India website, and another shoe, that is Adidas Viking 2.0. I had ordered this shoe for my wife and it is costing around 1979 rupees. So the total cost of these two shoes is 3819 rupees. Actually, I use a lot of Adidas shoes because they are within my budget, and one more advantage of the Adidas running shoes is that they are very durable. To give you an example, I had ordered this Adidas Hashi shoes and I am using it since the last 1 year, and still the sole is still intact of these shoes. I will give you another example. I don't even know the name of these Adidas shoes, but I had ordered it sometimes 2 years back, and these shoes are also still intact. I can still run in them for 5 or 6 months. So that is the speciality of Adidas shoes, and for a middle class person like me, they cost around 2000 rupees and they are quite durable, and that is the reason I am a huge fan of Adidas running shoes. So let's start the unboxing process. So let's start the unpacking process. Actually, I don't have patience. I'm in front of the camera, that's why I am unpacking them very slowly. Otherwise I would have unpacked them with my hands. Like I told you, I don't have patience. I think they have packed both the shoes in one box. So I will not throw this plastic in the dustbin. Actually, I have collected lot of plastics and I have stored them. Dear customer, thank you for shopping with shop.adidas.co.in. So let's see which is the first shoes out of the box. Let's see. So here they are. I think these are Helkin 3.0 shoes. Sorry, I got a bit confused there. This is actually for my wife, I think. These are for women. These are Adidas Viking 2.0 shoes, size 7. You can look at the sole. The sole is very important in running shoes. Pretty decent look, I think. So if you are confused about your size and you don't know how to order, so I will give a link in the description below. So here they are. These are the Adidas Helkin 3.0 running shoes. You can look at the sole. Like I told you, the sole is very important in running shoes. A good sole will always provide a good grip while you are running. So friends, these are the Adidas 3M running shoes. I am very much excited to run in these shoes from today evening. After running in them for 2 or 3 days, I will come up with a performance review video by the end of this week. and I can assure you that you will not find a review video of these budget shoes in any of the YouTube channel. I don't know the reason behind that, but during my 2-3 years of professional running career, I have seen many elite and fast runners using these kind of low budget running shoes and coming up with faster times. One more thing, these are actually training shoes. Actually, there are two types of running shoes, that is for training and for racing. Racing shoes are basically for racing and for speed, for some of the speed workouts during training, and most of the workout is done in these training shoes. So 90 to 95% of the workout is done in these training shoes. So a good training shoe is very necessary. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing video. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon in the next performance review video of these shoes. Thank you.